What's up, everyone? So back with another video. So today we got a goodie and finally kind of completing the whole white engine bay, but we got this. Hold on. A new HSP hot side intercooler pipe. So very simple, easy. Not much to it, you know, your boots, your clamps, the pipe, but it makes a big difference, especially, and see, when I get the other one out, you'll see it's like there's like unnecessary bends, which, you know, they don't need, and it's also bigger. I'm trying to think of, I think the other stock one's like 2.5, and this is 3-inch pipe, I want to say, but yeah, so we're gonna get this installed, and it's supposed to give you, and for my last one it helped, you know, in mileage, and it did sound a little bit different, but it's more just there to give more flow, but, and supposedly lowers more EGTs, but you know, everyone's different. Everyone says, oh yeah, mine didn't, or no, mine didn't do anything, but it helps clean up the bay and it looks a lot better, and it does flow better, because you'll see obviously the stock one's like meh, 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 like unnecessary bends, but we will get it installed. First thing we need to do is take off my inner fender liner, get rid of that, and then there's just, you know, two 11mm clamps we got to get off, and then the stock ones, and so it's really not that hard. Should be a lot easier than my other one, and now I actually have a drill, so it'll be a lot easier and can get this gross one off. So this is the suckiest part, because you got all these freaking push pins in here, and I need to get an actual like tool to get these all out and make life a ton easier, but this is what we're stuck with. So you obviously know how to take, you know, we're gonna get them out, so there's no point in showing you this, it's gonna suck, so I won't show you this part. Okay, so we got it out finally, hands dirty, but this is what it looks like. You can see it's like this one, wait, where's the finger, and then it's like meh, 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 and then it's like meh. This one's just like it's a lot more simpler and not as janky looking, but let's see if I can get that one to stand up. Don't grind on the floor. And you can see how much more bigger it is. So it goes to like that. This goes like right there. It's like my whole freaking finger. Yeah, but a lot more, less bends. Oh, there you go. That's a better view. So let's put it in, and the hardest part literally is going to be that freaking fender well. I am not looking forward to it. Okay, so I'm pissed off because, let's focus. Oh my god. Okay, so I got everything up there done. Now I'm doing the bottom, which is super annoying because I put this thing on before I put the pipe on, you know. That would kind of make sense-ish. Well, I put it on too far, because this is where, right there, where that one, so it has like plenty of room, so you can put the clamp on it, right? Right there and there. So now I'm trying to put this one on, but now the freaking pipe is not, it's, I didn't give enough boot room to go over the pipe, so now it only sticks like right there to there, like barely over the red part. That's it. And I'm almost done, but I can't fucking do it. It's so annoying. I'm gonna try home.
3 days later.
Everyone, so back after that install, everything was tight fit, and like I said, it was rough right here, down here. It was bad, but I got it installed finally. I can actually hear the turbo more, honestly. Feel the turbo more with this install. Like, just, it's a noticeable difference. It's not like anything crazy, but it sounds a lot more better and a lot more responsive, just a little bit. I haven't really driven it that far to actually notice any, you know, mileage gains. But like I said, it's the hardest part is literally getting in there and, you know, trying to have a good like a kind of a good even point. Like, it sucks because if you put it in there, okay, that's good, but then you put it down there and you don't have enough freaking room to put it in there, which sucks. So then I took the whole thing. I had to take it apart 3 times because could not get into that pipe down, you know, the boot down there. So I shoved it in there, worried about that, and then I was like, okay. So but then it wouldn't go in there. I'm like, so I was literally freaking out. So I literally pushed it in there, then shoved it as hard as I could to get in there. But other than that, everything went great. It's still on there. I pushed it a couple times just to kind of see if it would pop out, but never did. So, but oh man, it adds so much more to it. It looks amazing. It's dirty because it's winter now and it sucks. But, and thanks for Jake at Diesel Mafia. And also, I'm sorry about the editing thing right there somewhere. I need to get a new editing system. My other phone, or my other camera broke, so. And we got up to this one, but it looks way better. And it kind of just completes it all. It's good. But, yeah, I'm just glad for it to be done and over with. But that's done for now, so I need to look for something else to do now. So give me ideas, link, or copy, like, share, do whatever you want. Pass this around. Tell me what else I should do. Leave a comment and hit that notification bell in the corner. And thanks for watching.